Hi, I have been into IT industry for about 18, 19 years. I have never been a coder. I have never done programming in my entire career. I have always been into business development, account management, and sales basically. It's been about 4 or 5 years that I came across CRMs and I started working with few CRMs. And when I got interested about CRMs, and then I felt that okay, why not Salesforce, because it is the number one CRM in the whole world. Then I was looking for different training institutes who can teach me, a non-IT background kind of a person who can learn Salesforce. And then I got in touch with CRS Info Solution, and it's been about 3 4 weeks that I have started the program, and I'm absolutely loving it. The best part about CRS Info Solution, because they do not spoon feed you. That is what is required, because I have been training other people for quite some time in my business development and my jobs, and I never spoon feed. And I think that is a scientific way of teaching people, because you have to have a hands-on experience. You have to have the attitude to learn yourself, and the trainer who is absolutely fabulous, who will give you absolutely a real life feeling with actual interview questions and actual real job scenarios, so that you actually get hold of get a hang of what is going on in the industry. So I'm hoping by the time the training is over, we will actually get accustomed with the industry practices. And another thing is the assignments. When you are sending your assignments via email to the trainer, and he ensures that he replies to each and every of your email, and he's very motivating. So far so good. I'm really liking this training program, and I would any day recommend any of my colleagues or friends to get in touch with CRS Info Solutions and try and make a great career in Salesforce industry. Thank you.